Welcome to a new video on speaking English lesson. In today's video, you will learn some daily words. So I will read the words and you will repeat after me. So let's start. Taste, taste, tasting, tasting. So what is he doing? He's tasting. Cook, cook, cooking. He is cooking. He's cooking. Cut, cut. He is cutting. He's cutting. Sleep, sleep, sleeping. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Wash, wash. She's washing. She's washing. Talk, talk. They are talking. They are talking. Ride, ride. She is riding. She is riding. Read, read. She is reading. She is reading. Walk, walk. He is walking. He is walking. Run, run. He's running. He's running. Eat, eat. He's eating. He's eating. Drink, drink. He's drinking. He's drinking. Sneeze, sneeze. She is sneezing. She is sneezing. Yawn, yawn. He's yawning. He's yawning. Push, push. He's pushing. He's pushing. Pull, pull. He's pulling. He's pulling. Sell, sell. She's selling. She's selling. Buy, buy. He's buying. He's buying. Dance, dance. She's dancing. She's dancing. Sit, sit. She's sitting. She's sitting. Laugh, laugh. He's laughing. He's laughing. Write, write. He's writing. He's writing. That's all the words for today's lesson. I hope you will practice it. And if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and join us in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye.